You think men are only interested in you because you're beautiful. But you want them to be interested in you because you're you. Problem is that aside from all that beauty, you're not very interesting. You're rude, you're hostile, you're sullen, you're withdrawn. I know you want someone to look past all that at the real person underneath. But the only reason that anyone would bother to look past all that is because you're beautiful. Ironic, isn't it? In an odd way, you're your own problem.
And this is very common, lalo na sa mga modern women. Doon sa mga modern women, na tingin nila, dadalhin sila nung pagiging ganda lang hanggang sa huli. Ang daming nagrereklamo na modern women na ginugusto lang sila because of their sexual prowess. But, yun lang naman yung may mai-offer sila. Masama ugali nila, butangera sila, 'di ba? Wala silang finesse, wala silang alam na topic, wala silang binabasang libro, 'di ba? Wala silang breeding. Literal. Maganda lang yung mga modern women. Sabihin nila, gusto kong mahalin nila ako kung sino ako. King ina, sino ka ba? Ano bang meron ka bukod sa lumaking osos, maputi, makinis, 'di ba? Sino ka bukod doon sa ganda at sa sex? And you know what's worse? Ayaw nilang tanggapin na yung problema ay yung mga sarili mismo nila for whatever character they have maxed out. Kumbaga sa online game, MMORPG, pucha, minax out yung kaseksi yan eh. Tapos wala man lang sa intelligence, walang strength, walang agility, puro kaseksyan lang talaga. Tapos magtatanong sila, bakit puro eyot na lang yung habol nila sa akin? Di ba yung mga trip yung influencer ngayon? O, niloko, nakasawa. Tapos, imbis na mag-reflect, yun, nagpaputi, nagpakinis, nagpa-sexy, nagpalaki na osos. As if naman, yun talaga yung problema kung bakit sila naghiwalay. Diba?